How to join random Snapchat groups. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, log into your account, click on magnifying glass like option on top left corner of your screen beside profile picture. That is the search bar. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At search, simply search random groups. In here, you won't find any random groups to join. You can simply find people, send them friend request by clicking on add, and then after they have accepted your friend request, simply message them by saying add me to the group. After they respond, they might add you to the random group. This is how to join random Snapchat groups. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.